Yan. This is the tallest fountain before. Oh. Nice. Yan. Tallest fountain. Green. St. Patrick's Day celebration. That's why people are wearing green. Ayan, naka-green yung mga yan, kasi St. Patrick's Day celebration. Ang hindi lang sumunod sa color si Papagay. Wala maka-green. And so, it is said that when this fountain was made, it is the tallest fountain ever. Kaso lang ngayon, marami nang mas mataas pa na fountain.